plugged in, right?
Yeah.
Just tested this outside.
On the side, extension cord doesn't work.
Now, so like everything, tool-wise, we're going to get a little quick demonstration to see if the brushes in one of these things is bad. So we're just going to take this apart real quick. And this is not my grinder. It belongs to my son, because my grinder is up at the homestead. So what I just do is I just pull them out and run them over a surface and rough them up a little bit so they're cleaner. Make sure they go up and down easy. This one was kind of stuck. Goes up and down. Put it back in there. And if you notice, I unplugged it before I started doing this. Don't need anybody getting hurt. I've made the mistake a few times and got a few not so nice things from it. Now, if I was to do this properly, I'd take it apart and clean it and oil it and check everything, but I'm kind of like in a little hurry. So hopefully I can get this done. And hopefully that's what it is and not the switch. I also put a small knot in my cords to keep them from coming apart. Oh, someone's got it.